Hi guys! In this video we're going to be looking at taxes. To work out how much tax you need to pay, there are three things that you need to know. Total income, so how much money you make altogether. Deductions, so the money that you have spent in order to make your money. So for example, as a teacher, I would be paying union fees, professional development, so courses to make me a better teacher. I know lots of teachers who spend hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars on stationery or to make their classroom nice and pretty. If you work outdoors, sunglasses, sunscreen, hats. If you travel a lot for work, petrol maybe, and your car expense. So these are all deductions. The other thing that also comes under deductions is any donations to charity. And the last part that you need to know is your taxable income, which is your total income, take away your deductions. And that's the income that you actually pay tax on. Now below that, we've got our tax table. So this is a tax table for 2020 to 2021 from the ATO. So if you make between $0 and $18,200, you pay nothing in tax. And above that, you pay a certain percentage in tax. So let's work out some examples. Okay, the first thing that we're looking at is Christopher. He earns $15,000 annually from his part-time job. How much tax does he pay? So he makes $15,000. That puts him in the $0 to $18,200 tax bracket, which means he pays nothing in tax. So he pays $0. Moving down to our next example. Mickey had $80,000 income last year. How much tax does she pay? So she made $80,000. That puts her in this tax bracket. So she will be paying $5,092 plus 32.5 cents for each dollar over $45,000. What does that mean? Well, let's work it out. We have her total income, which is $80,000, and that is a taxable income because there's no deductions there. So her tax will be $5,092 plus 32.5 cents for every dollar over $45,000. That means to find how much she is over $45,000, we take away $80,000, take away $45,000. Just going to move this a little bit down so I can keep writing. 5,092 plus 0.325 times $35,000. This is the part where you take your calculators out, plug the numbers in, and your answer would be $16,467. Let's take a look at our last example. Sam made $200,000 from his online marketing job and received $3,300 in interest from his savings account. He also spent $5,000 on a new computer and gave $800 to charity. How much tax does he need to pay? So the first thing we need to do is work out his total income. So total Y is his $200,000 plus the $3,300 from his bank. So $200,000 plus $3,300 gives us $203,300. The next step is to work out his deductions. So his deductions are $5,000 on a new computer, which he needs for his marketing job, and $800 to charity. So 5,000 plus 800 gives us 5,800. Next step is to work out his taxable income, taxable Y. That is $203,300. Take away his deductions, $5,800, If we plug that into the calculator, we'll get $197,500. Now, that means that his tax bracket is here. That's how much tax he needs to pay. So let's work that out. His tax equals, first step is $51,667 plus, it's 45 cents for every dollar over $180,000. So 0.45 times 197,500, take away $180,000. That will give us $7,875, making his grand tax total $59,542. And we're done. I hope that has really helped you, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.